Okay, another day here comes a client with a Mazda 3 and states, I feel unwanted noise when turning left to right, no matter how the surface is smooth or the surface is uneven. So we told the client emmotoka gireete tugiwulirize. When the client reached to us, we had to make a proper diagnosis to reveal what the problem is. In fact, before we even go further, when you look at the tires totally have uneven wear. So when I tell my boy to turn left and right, I feel the noise coming from the top of the shock absorber. So like you can see, the shock is turning with some difficulty. And when you clearly understand that a shock must be moving with a free or with flexibility in all directions, now when a shock gets some imperfections in as far as turning and maneuvering is concerned, the client or the driver shall feel the unwanted noise during a turn of the steering. So, something again that rocks or couples with the steering turn is the steering pump. The steering pump feels something that is unusual. When you try to rotate the steering, the sound that comes from the steering pump emanates through the pulley and comes back into the chassis, and you feel that the car is making some grinding noise, and hate you feel the noise from the steering pump. So we're gonna have a simple solution for our client here. We're gonna remove off this shock absorber, try to check what actually caused the damage of the upper mounts. Then two, we are going to remove out the steering pump and basically look at the inner shafts, whether they have some imperfections. We do not do much about things that are visible. We just need to do what is actually needed to be done. So our client of the Mazda said emmotoka mbawadde obudde mugikole. Then for us, we have to take time and also do what we have to do in the ample time possible. Yep. Kaba, kali ku